Good morning, good morning, good morning. All of my continued people from the Money Squad, new to the Money Squad, thank you for tuning back in to the channel. I know it's been a minute, but the channel has grown. We're like 37 away from 6,500. So that's an exciting time. You know, it's all exciting time. And we're back up in this building this week with Who Has the Heat with Skip Goes Hard versus Chill Town. So it should be a banger. Coming to you at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 2:30 in Hawaii Daylight Saving Time. Man, that does kill me. And just one other thing, disclaimer, I don't know why people complain about, just get to the point on the video. Sometimes people gotta make announcements. YouTube don't give you credit if you don't do your videos on time. So I don't understand why people get upset about this. Just fast forward to the part that you want to get to. It's simple. It is so simple. That's my little rant. But back to the regular tune stuff. Like I said, go subscribe to the whole team, 313 Retro Queen, and Fly QL, PMKICKZ, and also on Who Has the Heat. We're 29 away from 300. So we got goals and all of that stuff all around. Like I said, happy St. Patty's Day. Hope y'all wearing green. Is nice. Green is nice and breezy here. I don't know how many people like corned beef and cabbage and all that sauerkraut. I'm gonna have to hit up Murphy's Bar and Grill or somewhere. Either maybe just hit up Arb and give me one of those corned beef sandwiches, which is very, very dope. And don't get too wasted on hump day. Right now, let's get into this video. I got a W on these. A W, and they touched down yesterday, so I need that same love again for the bacon 90s. All right, Nike, I need that same love, that same energy. As you can see, PP personal pair, pine green, mean green. All right, mean green, 10.5 men, 12 women. Suggested retail price 130 of them things. I got it for 104. That was the last military discount I was able to get, because they went down to 10%, those cheapos, I'll tell you. So you look up here, you got your pass the QC, and you got your stamp around. You got your paper that's been let me see a nice one, but look at that green, woo, doggy, so nice and lovely. The St. Patty's Day Air 90s on deck, and I mean they are green, super green. They are making a return after about a 14-year hiatus, I think. The first one was in 2007, and where you see they got the white swoosh, there is gold, and the resale market on those is kind of crazy for airmax 90. I think those joints are about $500 and up, depending on your size. So all you rich peeps out there, go for it, because they are dope, but these are just as good for me. So I'll take these for now. So you got these joints right here that are all green, as you can see. Coming up on the toe, got some pretty good leather with that green there. Nice white mesh materials. But if you out drinking tonight, don't get in there no fruit punch, no green. Well, if you get green, then I guess it'll add character, right, to it. But you want to spray it down, Jason Mark, Crate, Rejuvenator, do what you got to do. Coming up, you can see the stitching is on point, green laces. Then you got your stitching with your trademark R's right there, Air Max with your Nike, all on deck. Should I do a lace swap is the question. Should I swap it to white? Would you go with something like a gold hit? Because as you can see right there, you got like a hits of gold right here. So I change it up or leave it the same, right? Then you can see you got all your good luck stuff, right? Your 4-leaf clovers, your spades, all of that good stuff. Heart, you got your green lime hits there with your air unit. Like I said, Air Max and gold. Gotta shoot this down right here as well. Coming around on the back, on the butt, on the bootay, you got that Nike Air that's always dope on that as well. The sock liner is green, so black socks will probably show up, white socks probably show up. Hey, it is what it is, don't worry about it. And then it's probably gonna get scuffed up. They're probably gonna get scuffed up because it's white right there, but it is what it is, especially when you're getting in out of your car. Now, if you look right here, It's inside. You can look inside the unit. Green. Then you got your white right here. Then you can see you got, like I said, that is nice etchings and designs inside of this shoe, which is very, very dope. I don't know what the resale market is on these. I'm thinking it can't be too bad because the OGs are pretty much up there. And then you got Nike Air right here on the inside. Production date on these bad boys here are 8/12/20 to 12/1/20, roughly about 4 months, which is actually, I guess it's pretty good. Most of the shoes I've been seeing taking 2 months, so maybe they actually took their time. Because like I said, on these, I don't see any glue stains. The cuts on it, you can see the cuts. So I likes it a lot. And it's a shoe that, I mean, it's not too over the top where you just restricted to wearing it once a year. So with that being said, we always like to look over the shoe. Like I said, just one real quick spin. You didn't see the shoe before I give my assessment. Because I don't know if I mentioned, but they do got the gold hits on this. So I'm a charge it to the game because I'm a Lakers fan, right? And this kind of screamed Boston Celtics colorways, but in the spirit of celebration, we're gonna let this pass this one time. So on a lit meter, I would give this shoe about a 4.75 out of 5, or 4.75 out of 5. And my biggest deduction is because it is a Boston Celtics colorway. But hey, that's neither here nor there. So leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know, do you like these? Did you pass? Did you try to get? Or would you prefer the OG? Because like I said, the OGs, it has the gold right here instead of the white. And the stitching and stuff is a little bit more pronounced. You got more green on the shoe. Also, let me know, did you go for the Valentine's Day Air Max 90? And if you are planning on grabbing a Georgetown 3. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. The ultimate goal is 10K before the end of the year. Thanks for all love and support. Thanks for watching my video. Emoneyshoes, I'm out. Peace.